A lot of you ask questions in DMs and comments about how to get a PhD. So in this video, I'm going to explain how I got mine. Point number one, start early. You need to start researching programs at least 12 to 18 months. And I cannot stress this enough because the earlier you start, the more chances you have to secure a PhD. Point number two is research fit is more important than university ranking. What I mean by this is that you should not apply to top schools. For PhD, what matters most is that you apply to researchers or supervisors whose research actually matches your interests and also your experience. So now that you've identified at least 3 to 10 potential supervisors, what you need to do is to read at least 3 articles that published from their labs. This is actually crucial because it will help you make an informed decision of which research is more interesting to you that you think you can pursue for the next 3 to 4 years. Supervisors love this because it shows them that the potential students have actually put on the effort to look into the research and the project, and they did not actually apply just blindly. Point number 3 is the actual application component. If you're applying for the EU only, for the rest of European countries, this is not needed. You need strong academic transcripts. You also need 2 to 3 recommendation letters. You need a research statement or personal statement. This is quite important because it shows that you understand the field and also it highlights your research experience. So point number 4 is your research experience. So to get into a PhD program, you need a research experience. Without the research experience, it's not easy to get into a fully funded PhD program. If you don't have a research experience, make sure that you get it now. So you can do this by volunteer in a lab, join a summer research program, or join an online research project. Point number 4 are funding opportunities. So as we know that PhDs are fully funded with a stipend, so that means they cover your living expenses, and this is true worldwide. So in my opinion, I would never pay for a PhD because there are enough PhD programs that are fully funded with a stipend that are available for students worldwide. So make sure that you apply. Follow for more PhD application tips and drop PhD in the comments if you want part 2 on how to write a research statement.